Hello everyone, Don Rolfe here, owner and founder of Northwest Legal Planning, and I'm here to talk to you today about 3 estate planning mistakes to avoid, things that I see people doing all of the time. The number one, well, first of all, if you have any questions about this or any other estate planning topic, probate topic, please do feel free to reach out to me. You can schedule a consultation with me by going to myestate-planmeeting.com. If you schedule an in-person meeting right now, I'm not going to be taking those during the March and April of 2020, but definitely schedule a phone consultation. And if you put in the notes that you want to do a video conference, I will set it up for Zoom. I don't have that up on my calendar yet to do that automatically, but I am getting there soon. So, 3 estate planning mistakes to avoid. Hello, Candy. Number one, I've said this before and it's probably no surprise, is not doing any estate planning whatsoever. So if you're not doing any estate planning, that is a big mistake, because it's not just about, who's going to get your stuff. It's about protecting you while you're alive as well. So that leads right into the second mistake that I see people making, and that's planning only for end of life. So people get a will and they're like, my estate plan is taken care of, I'm done. And well, I guess, after you pass away, you're right. You're done because, your will is going to get probated and your things are going to go wherever your will says that they need to go. But during your lifetime, if you become incapacitated or there are other issues that happen, you are, giving yourself a disservice by only having that will. You have the opportunity to set up healthcare documents and directives to, name people to make healthcare decisions for you if you're unable to do that, to give direction for end of life instructions, to have someone else be able to take over in the event that you were unable to manage your finances, to have that person step in to your shoes, pick up your bucket and start managing your assets and make sure that your bills are paid and all of those sorts of things. And then hopefully when you come back after being incapacitated, everything is still running smoothly. So just planning for end of life and distributing your things after you're gone is, a mistake as well. It's good that you've done something, but you could have given yourself a lot more by doing a little extra planning. And then again, if you want to have any questions about this, myestate-planmeeting.com, schedule absolutely free consultation with me. So the third mistake that I see people making, and my clients try to make as well when we're putting together their estate plans, is that they want to leave some of the decisions to their family after they've passed away. So they say, well, I'm going to leave everything to my oldest child and let them decide how to split it amongst their siblings, or something along those lines. I'm going to leave it to my children to decide who gets which house, and really all you're doing, the only thing that is accomplishing is, number one, if you don't want to make that decision, it's giving you the out and you don't have to make the decision. But the other thing that it's accomplishing is it's giving a disservice to the people who are inheriting from you. They will end up, I guess they could get along and they could, come to an amicable decision about how to distribute things and so forth. But it really gives a disservice sometimes, especially if it's all left to the eldest sibling and they have to pay it out. Then there's gift taxes that they may have to pay, and there's hard feelings and those sorts of things. And if you don't make the hard decisions, who gets which house and so on and so forth, and you leave it up to the kids, there's a chance that it could just be a disaster in the making. I have seen plenty of horror stories from the world of estate administration and probate where beneficiaries have just felt like they were, left out. They weren't given their fair shake. They didn't get their fair share, all of those sorts of things. But really, you want to make those hard decisions while you're alive. And if you go back and look in the catalog of my old videos, you'll see a video that says, fair does not mean equal. So you can be fair in the distribution of your estate to your children or whoever your beneficiaries are going to be, without having to have it be completely equal. And you can make that tough choice, and everyone's going to be just fine with it as long as that's exactly what you wanted to have happen. I hope this answers some of your questions. I hope it was interesting. Again, if you have any estate planning questions or probate questions, do feel free to reach out to me. Go to myEstatePlanMeeting.com. You can schedule a consultation with me, absolutely free. Have our consultation. I offer phone and in-person. Right now I'm not doing in-person because of the lockdown that we're in, social distancing, all of that good stuff. But if you'd like, you can put in the notes when you schedule the meeting, and I will set it up so that we could do a video conference if you would like to do that. Again, Don Rolfe. Until next time, take care. Bye.